Finally, we have the winners at our Super Sunday games. First game was decided after one super over. The second game was decided with two super overs. This game has been getting to the wire, and this IPL is still live. We still don't know who are the top four teams to qualify. The first game today was between Sunrisers Hyderabad and KKR, uh, which ended in a tie, and it was decided by super over. Lockie Ferguson took two wickets for KKR and sealed the game for them. Whereas in the second game, which was Kings 11 Punjab and Mumbai, that was a seesaw battle between these two teams throughout the game. And Kings 11 Punjab came victorious in this seesaw battle, and deservingly they have now gone to the place number 6. So this table is still live. They can still make the movement upwards and qualify for the top 4 spots. So this table is still live. The IPL is still live, and we can still give some chance to the bottom 4 teams to qualify and enter the table. For now, Mumbai, DC, and RCB look like they are settled and they are going to the playoffs. But anything can happen in the game of cricket. So let's sit tight on your seats and get ready for some more action in the coming weeks. Before going to our game between Rajasthan and Chennai Super Kings, let's go back to our fantasy picks. So our most of our players that we chose, like KL Rahul was our captain. Then we chose Jasprit Bumrah as the vice captain. So most of our players played well. They gave you good points, and our predictions were correct as far as the Dream 11 team is concerned. Yeah, there are few players that did not score well, but yeah, you got to give it to them, because you have to build a team. You don't have only 5-6 guys playing on the cricket field. You have a team of 11. So some might click, some might not. But all in all, the predictions were correct, and we are reaching to the accuracy where we can give you the accurate teams. As far as the team prediction is concerned, first prediction, that was KKR. KKR won the game, but in second game, Mumbai Indians lost. But that happens in the game of cricket. We have to move forward. So this will be the game tomorrow between Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings. This is the match number 37 of the Dream 11 IPL. This is a clash between the bottom 2 teams. Don't call them bottom 2, because whoever wins has a chance to go at the middle of the table. So as I said earlier, this table is the liveliest table I have seen in the IPL, and there are few more surprises to come in the future. So let's take a look at the pitch report, players to player versus player matchups, the head-to-head battle, and the players to watch out for in our next sections. Stay tuned. Let's take a look at the pitch report, player matchup, and the head-to-head stats between the match number 37, which is going to be in between Rajasthan Royals and the Chennai Super Kings. This match will be held at the ground of Abu Dhabi. The par score at this venue is 175. There have been 23 games in total at this venue. 11 have been won by the team batting first, while 11 have been won by the team chasing. And the yesterday's game was tied between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders, that ended into a super over, and Kolkata Knight Riders came victorious of that. So there was one tied game at this venue. If we take a look at the ground stats, then there are big boundaries at one end, other end is shorter. It is similar to Eden Gardens or Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. It assists pacers, so pacers will have a fun time over there, and they can enjoy the swing and the seam movement that they will be getting at this wicket. There is even bounce throughout this wicket, but we have seen in last few games that it tends to get slower in the second innings, so you might experience some variable bounce, and the slower bowlers, or the bowlers who bowl cutters, they will be more handy on this wicket. If we take a look at the head-to-head stats between Rajasthan Royals and CSK, then they have met each other 23 times. 9 games have been won by Rajasthan, while 14 have been won by CSK. So we can clearly see that CSK has the advantage over Rajasthan. But if you take a look at the previous encounter, Rajasthan Royals won the game by 16 runs, where Sanju Samson scored a magnificent 85 runs at the ground of Sharjah. Most runs in between these two teams have been scored by Shane Watson, who has scored 703 runs. Most wickets are in the name of Dwayne Bravo and Ravindra Jadeja, who have taken 15 wickets together. If we take a look at the player matchup, then there will be four key battles that we will be highlighting, and they will be interesting to look for. First will be Shane Watson and Jaydev Unadkat. They used to play in the same team for Rajasthan Royals. Now Watson plays for CSK and Unadkat is still with Rajasthan. So Watson has faced him 38 times, whereas he scored 57 runs and was not out. Haven't been dismissed. If we take a look at the combination between Dhoni and Archer, then Archer has bowled 34 balls to Dhoni. Dhoni has scored 42 runs. There are not more runs, but the most important part is he has managed to remain not out. And this will be the important factor for CSK if Dhoni comes to bat at the death and trying to score some more runs for his team. If you take a look at the matchup between Steven Smith and Jadeja, we know that Steve Smith has his problems against the left-arm spinners, and rightly so. Smith has played 71 balls, scored only 67 runs against Ravindra Jadeja, which is less than 100 strike rate, and got out 5 times. So Jadeja has wood over Steve Smith. If you take a look at the stats between Uthappa and Jadeja, then Uthappa has played 60 balls and scored 67 runs and got out thrice. So we can clearly see Jadeja is going to be the distinguishing factor for CSK, whereas CSK batsman enjoys the Rajasthan Royals bowling lineup. Let's go to the next section where we'll be discussing the players to watch out for, the playing 11 combinations and the Dream 11 team. Stay tuned. So let's take a look at the players to watch out for, Dream 11 and the playing 11 combination. The players to watch out for us in Rajasthan Royals are Josh Butler, Sanju Samson and Jofra Archer. Josh Butler hasn't set the ground on fire. He scored 24 runs in his last game at a strike rate of less than 100. So he must want to score good runs for his team at a good pace, and Rajasthan will be expecting the same. So Butler is the first player to watch out for. Second will be Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson has been more cold than hot in last few games after his first streak of some hot innings, and he would like to come back to form by scoring good runs against the good side like CSK. So I'm backing Samson to score some runs tomorrow. Jofra Archer has been their consistent bowler, and I'm going to have my all money bid on Jofra Archer to score to take few wickets and score some runs with the bat if needed at the end. As far as the CSK is concerned, du Plessis, Rayudu and Jadeja are the three players to watch out for. Du Plessis has been ever consistent in this IPL, and I expect him to score runs more freely and at the top and contribute more for the team. Then the second one is Ambati Rayudu. Ambati Rayudu has been the unsung hero for CSK, and I guess he will come good tomorrow as well. Ravindra Jadeja has been consistent with the bat and ball, and I am expecting him to do the same in tomorrow's game as well. With the leg side boundary bit shorter, I guess Jadeja will be an option. Dhoni might want to send him to bat up the order in tomorrow's game. Wildcard picks for us are, I have two wildcard picks from the Rajasthan side. Ben Stokes and Rahul Tewatia. We know what Tewatia is capable of, and he has done it twice in this IPL. Same with Stokes. Stokes has to come to his known best, and I guess it will be the right time for him to come in the form and score some vital runs for his team. From CSK side, we have two wildcard picks. One is Sam Curran. Sam Curran has been the complete player for the CSK side, and he will be the player to watch out for in tomorrow's game, along with Shane Watson. Shane Watson is having some consistent runs in last few games, but they need him to score more quickly than what he is doing right now. But I guess Watson will come good because tomorrow's pitch is going to be the lively one. He wants he likes the ball to come on the bat and score his shots more freely, and that will be the time for him. Uh, as far as the playing 11 is concerned, I see one force change from the Rajasthan side. Looking at his performance in the previous game, Varun Aaron can come in for Jaydev Unadkat so that they can add some more pace in the bowling lineup, and I'm sure this will happen. The second change for me is not a forced one, but it will be a like for like replacement to Shreyas Gopal. Shreyas Gopal is taking some wickets, but he hasn't had a consistent run in this IPL. And I guess Mayank Markande can replace Shreyas Gopal in Rajasthan Royals if the management think. For CSK, we have two changes. One is Ngidi will be coming for Bravo, which is a forced change as Bravo is not fit. And Piyush Chawla can replace Kedar Jadhav. Kedar Jadhav hasn't done anything in the last game, and I think Dhoni can add Piyush Chawla as well into the side, giving him some more overs. If we take a look at the Dream 11 team, then the wicketkeeper will be Joss Butler. The batsman will be Smith, Duplessis and Raidu. You can have Samson in place of Smith. All-rounder options are Gopal, Stokes and Jadeja. You can either have Stokes or Karan. They are like for like. If we take a look at the bowler's choice, then we have Archer, Tewatia, Thakur and Deepak Chahar. The captaincy option for us is Joss Butler, but you can go with Sanju Samson or Faf du Plessis. The vice captain we are choosing in for Archer, but you can take any of the all-rounders as the vice captain. So this is our Dream 11 team. We are rooting for Rajasthan Royals to win tomorrow in a handsome way and take one step ahead for the playoffs qualification. So Rajasthan Royals is the team for us. You choose your favorite team and the Dream 11 team. May the best team win.